1913, he designed and built the first four-engine aircraft known as the Sikorsky Knight. And this aircraft had some very interesting features in it. It had an enclosed cabin, it had upholstered chairs, it also had a lavatory inside of it. And the one feature that I found fascinating is that it had an exterior catwalk along the fuselage where the passengers could get out and walk around and get some fresh air during their flight. Now, I mention this because later in life, Igor Sikorsky used to say this. He would say in the early days, the chief engineer was very often also the chief test pilot. This tended to result in the elimination of poor engineering. And I mention this because with DFMA, very similar, we're trying to put ourselves in the shoes of the customer, whether that customer is the design engineering team or manufacturing or the end user of our product. We're trying to put ourselves in the shoes of the person using that product and understanding it and having that intimate knowledge of the product and the development process.